Hello, and welcome back to eCUBE, your go-to channel for education, entertainment, and all that has to do with self-development.
Zahlen oder Nummern.
Today we have an exciting lesson for you. We're going to dive deep into the world of German numbers. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this comprehensive guide will have you counting like a pro in no time. Let's start with the basics. In German, numbers from 1 to 10 are essential to know, and some of them sound like the English numbers. Repeat after me as we go through them together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now, let's move on to numbers 11 to 20. In German, these numbers are a bit different. They start with Zahlen and add the units place. So listen and repeat after me once again.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Great! Now, let's move into the tens. Pay close attention because this pattern repeats.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
Now, when you want to say numbers like 21 or 99, you simply combine the tens and the ones. For example, 21 is
21,
and 99 is.
99
The word
und
means and in German. Moving on, let's learn how to express hundreds and thousands in German.
100 oder 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000 oder 1000, 100 oder 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000 oder 1000.
To express numbers like 356 or 4789, you'll need to combine these elements. For example, 356 is
356
and 4789 is.
4789.
You may have already noticed that when writing numbers in German, you do not have to leave a space in between the words or use a dash to distinguish between the different words used to build up larger numbers, as is the case in English. However, this is only the case before reaching a million, as you will soon learn.
100.000 oder 100.000. 1 Million. 1 Milliarde. 100.000 oder 100.000. 1 Million. 1 Milliarde.
In German, dots or full stops are used in place of the commas found after every 3 numbers in English. Now, it's your turn. I'll give you some numbers. Try to say the German version of all these numbers out loud. Pause the video if you need more time. So let's see if you got it correctly.
123, 123, 567, 567.
If you did, well done. If you didn't, don't worry. You have a chance to try again. Like before, pause the video if you need more time. Here are the answers.
999, 999, 2345, 2345, 10.000, 10.000.
So, if you got it, well done. Try out the exercise coming up. I'd like to see how you do. If you didn't get everything correct, don't worry. Learning a new language or concept takes time. I would advise you to watch this video again, as it's easier to understand concepts after looking at it more than once. After that, try to do the exercise at the end of this video to check your progress. A fun fact before we leave this page, words ending in ig are usually pronounced differently depending on the part of Germany you find yourself in. In Upper Saxony, it is pronounced with a ish sound, while in Southern Germany, it is pronounced as ich. So, the word
Richtig.
as is pronounced in Southern Germany would be pronounced as
Richtig.
in Upper Saxony. So, here is the exercise for today. Write your answers in the comment section, I'd like to see how you do. And don't forget, no cheating.
Unsere Musikempfehlung für heute ist Lieblingsmensch von Namika.
You can type the song title and artist name in the YouTube search bar to listen to the song, or better, scan this QR code on the screen if you can. Great job, everyone! You've made significant progress in mastering German numbers. Remember, practice is the key to perfection. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to count effortlessly in German. If you found this lesson helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more language tutorials. You can also check out my previous video if you want to learn about the German alphabet. If you have any questions, suggestions, or you'd like to see more videos on the German language, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next lesson.
Auf Wiedersehen.